Welcome to my channel. Study English.
Once upon a time, there lived a young boy named Adam. One day Adam was walking home from school with his friend Alan when he sneezed. As he opened his eyes and looked down, he noticed a small brown object in the middle of the sidewalk. It was a twig, but before he could say anything, it transformed into a giant golden apple. Adam's eyes widened in amazement. He had never seen an object change like that before. As he looked around him, more items transformed around him. A piece of paper turned into a piece of blank paper, a rock turned into a shiny gold coin, and a flower turned into a scooter. Adam was having the time of his life. He was enjoying the transformation more than anything. He laughed and giggled, but before he knew it, Adam sneezed again, and everything turned back to normal. As he looked around, he noticed a piece of paper lying on the ground. He picked it up and looked at it. The paper had a note written on it. It said, "I am sorry for transforming into a piece of paper. It's just that I have a lot to do and I need to focus. Can we talk later?" Adam looked up at the sky and sneezed again. When he opened his eyes, the piece of paper had transformed into a beautiful bouquet of flowers. Adam could not believe his eyes. He ran to his house, eager to show his mom the flowers, but before he could even get there, the bouquet transformed into a piece of paper again. Adam felt lost and frustrated. He tried to enjoy the transformations, but he felt like he was never going to see any of his things ever again. He walked around, trying to find things to transform again, but nothing happened. As the sun began to set, Adam found himself lost in a park. He sat on a bench and looked around. Everything was quiet, and the only sounds were the rustling of leaves and a faint humming. Just as he was about to close his eyes, he heard a sneeze. He opened his eyes and looked around. To his surprise, the park had transformed. There were plants and trees, and the ground was made of sand. The sneeze had caused the park to transform into something new. Adam walked around and looked at everything in the new version of the park. He noticed a small snail, and as he looked at it closer, he realized it had turned into a treasure map. He picked it up and looked at it. It was written in a special code and led him to a buried treasure. Adam realized that this was his chance to enjoy the transformations, and he began to delight in finding new things to transform. As he walked through the park, he found himself laughing and grinning from ear to ear. Just as he was about to look for new things to transform, he sneezed, and the park transformed again. This time, it was a beautiful garden. Adam sat down on a bench and looked around. As he looked at the garden, he sneezed again, and everything turned back to normal. Adam realized that he had found something special. He wasn't just enjoying the transformations because he wanted to, he was actually having fun with them. He realized that he had control over his sneezes and that they could be a tool to help him have fun and explore the world around him. As he walked home, Adam thought about his adventure in the park. He realized that he had found something that he never knew was missing from his life. He had a new friend, and he felt ready to take on the world with a newfound confidence. As he walked home, he sneezed once again, and everything turned back to normal. He smiled and walked away feeling happy and fulfilled. Adam knew that he had found what he was looking for, and he was eagerly looking forward to more magical adventures in the future. Please subscribe to my channel. Study English for more videos. Thank you.